Steps for automatically generate invoices for orders and bookings on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account at tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Cell tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Cell tab, select the Order List and Booking List option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view all your incoming orders and bookings on your website. 5. To locate a specific order or booking, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down the list. 6. Click on the order or booking that you want to generate the invoice. This will open the order or booking details page. 7. At the top right corner of the page, you will find a button labeled Generate Invoice. Click on it. 8. A pop-up will appear with an alert confirming the generation of the invoice. Click on Generate Invoice to proceed. 9. The invoice will be generated, and you will see the invoice ID displayed in place of the button. Click on the invoice ID to be redirected to the invoice page. 10. On the invoice page, you can view the invoice details and download it as needed. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to automatically generate invoices for orders and bookings on tool44.com. This feature allows you to streamline your invoicing process and provide professional invoices to your customers.